Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel as part of the Fusion training video series. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to add new chart of account segment values. So generally in any real life implementation project, your chart of account segment values are updated or kind of uploaded as part of the rapid implementation spreadsheet. But after we go live, there will be a lot of business requirement wherein a new chart of account segment values needs to be added. So in this video, we will look into how to add the chart of account segment values. So this is the topic which we'll be covering, how to add a new chart of account segment values. So let me open my rapid implementation spreadsheet. So this is my rapid implementation spreadsheet. Say, let's assume I have a business requirement of adding a, say, new cash account. So probably I want to add a new cash account, which could be cash account. So maybe the cash account should be 11. So 110. Probably I just want to add 11012 as my new cash account, and I just want to call it as cash checking JP Morgan Chase. So this is what I want to add. And when I am adding this particular cash account, which is a national account, I also want to add this under this particular parent. So let us get into the details as to how we can add this particular chart of account segment value and add that under the parent. So first thing is, we need to find out what exactly is my value set related to my chart of account segment. So in order to find out the value set, first I need to know what is my chart of account structure. I know my ledger is Reliance US. So first let me go to my ledger. From ledger, let us find out the structure, and from structure, go to the concerned segment, and from segment find out the value set, and then from the value set you can add the values. So the first thing would be to find out the chart of account structure which is tagged to my ledger. So you have to go to the ledger, go to the setup and maintenance, and then search for manage primary ledger. So manage primary ledger. So this is my ledger, and for this ledger my chart of account is Reliance. Okay, so now go to the chart of account structures, manage chart of accounts. So search for this, manage chart of account structures, search for the module general ledger, and here click on manage structure instances, and then structure name. The structure name is Reliance, and my structure has 4 segments: company, cost center, account, and intercompany. And now I have a requirement of adding a new segment value under my national account segment. So in order to, this is the value set. Account Reliance is a value set, and let me also click on this, and we should also make a note of the tree name. So this is where we will be adding the child to a parent, but let me just make a note of the tree name as well. So tree name is account Reliance, account Reliance. Yeah, this is the tree name. And now when the tree name is required whenever you are adding a child to the parent. So now our first focus would be adding of a child segment value. Okay, click on this, and then click on manage values, click on search, and here you can see all the existing segment values. Now I just want to add a new value, so click on place, and my chart of account segment value would be 11012, and I just want to call it as cash check-in, JP, MC, and I would leave the start date, end date, and sort order as blank. Summary, I would say no. Summary is no because this is child values. Generally, summary would be yes for the parent value. Allow posting yes, allow budgeting yes, and account type. So this is a balance sheet account. This is an asset account. And third party, this is not a third party control. I would say a third party control as no, and I would say reconcile as no, and I need not specify any financial category. If we want, we can just assign the financial category of cash, or otherwise I can leave it blank. So save and close. So this is the first step of adding a segment value. Now the next thing would be I need to add this particular segment child value to parent. Again, it's not mandatory. It all depends on your parent-child hierarchy. And if you have a requirement to add the new segment values under a parent, then you need to follow this particular step of navigate to the parent, manage account hierarchy is the task, and here search with the tree name, which is account reliance. So when I say tree name, this is the hierarchy name. Expand this, and here you have two hierarchies. You can see account reliance base and account reliance current, and base is already undated, and this is the active one. So check this checkbox, or rather click on this and then click on edit. So it throws a message like updating the tree version will reset its status to draft. Click OK to continue with the update. Update tree nodes while keeping the tree version active. I just want the tree version to be in active status. Check the checkbox and click on OK. Okay, and here you can expand. So there should be one button which says expand all. Expand all. And then you can directly go to your parent, and my parent is 11000. So this is the parent, and within this particular parent I just want to add the child values. So click on plus button. I need to select a specific value. So whatever I have added just now, 11012 is available here. So these are available nodes, these are selected nodes. So these are all the childs which are already part of this particular parent, and these are all the available values which I can add to my parent. So I am just selecting this and then click on this, click on OK. Okay, so once you make any changes, click on this submit button. The tree version has been updated successfully. And once this is done, you need to do a couple of things. First thing is click on action. It is already in active status. Just in case if it goes to the draft status, you need to set status to active. That's the first step. And second step would be audit. So click on online audit. It's just kind of validating the details whatever we have added just now. So once the online audit is completed successfully, if there are any errors, then you need to look at the error message and resolve the errors. And if there are no error message, then you need to go to the next step. Next step would be actions, flatten. So there is something called row flattening and column flattening. So first we'll start with the column flattening. You can say online flattening. So once this is completed, you need to go for row flattening. So basically this row flattening and column flattening are just done to improve the performance of this account hierarchy nodes. Yes, so once this is done, again click on flatten, row flattening, online flattening. Okay, so once these steps are completed, you can go back to your journal entry screen, and in the journal entry screen, when you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the value whatever you have added. So now let me go back to the GL journal entry screen, or for that matter, you can go to the any data entry screen. So I'm just going to GL journal entry screen, general accounting, journals, and I'm under Reliance US. create journal. I'll just say test journal. Category, speak up adjustments. Click on this drop down, enter the company, cost center, and then click on the account. See, I am able to see the new account, whatever I have created just. This is how you can add a segment values. Again, you need to follow the same approach for the other segments, which is your company, cost center, or intercompany. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Fusion Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.